Welcome to Medical Insight, a weekly healthcare feature brought to you by the experts at Essentia Health. Here's your host, Louis St. George.
Today on Medical Insight, Essentia Health physical therapist Ron Winans tells us how the SpineX Rehabilitation program is helping patients restore neck and back strength.
We incorporate some strength and conditioning, cardiovascular, stretching, home program, and a routine here in the physical therapy department. We're here also to help decrease their fear, return to their activities recreationally, work, home, yard work, anything they need. We cater their program to themselves. So someone comes in with back and neck pain. It is a head-to-toe project. We do initial evaluation. We find out where they're at, not where they should be at for height, weight, age, female or male. We find out where they're at. If you're 6'5", 350 pounds, that's who you need to be strong enough for. So we gotta find out where you're at. 80% of sports injuries are training errors, so we have to find out what's their flexibility, range of motion, and then progress there.
The SpineX program is 2 days a week for 6 to 8 weeks. Winans says a successful outcome is when patients can increase their activity without fear.
We're here to re-educate the back and neck, increase their range of motion flexibility. Once we have that, then we can start building on the strengthening component. So it is, again, tailored to the individual, and obviously as they build confidence and decrease fear to their return to activities, I want to hear that they can do stuff they hadn't been able to do, and that's what we typically see. In the last 11 to 12 years, we've seen close to 2,500 patients with an 80% successful rate.
For Medical Insight, I'm Louis St. George.
This Medical Insight was brought to you by Essentia Health. To learn more about the services we offer, visit essentiahealth.org.